Hope you guys are ready for some breaking crypto news. A whale just bought $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. Who has that kind of money just to throw around $3 billion on a few transactions in one day? Obviously, it is the massive institutions like BlackRock. $10 trillion BlackRock. We are still seeing substantial interest from institutional clients for Bitcoin. This is the wall of money streaming into Bitcoin. Here's another massive player entering this space. What crypto winter? Charles Schwab launches ETF, giving investors significant cryptocurrency exposure. So while most people are still afraid to even consider buying cryptocurrency, these guys are going deep into it, and they're getting in first. Now, here is an update on some early stage assets that the market, including those institutional investors, still haven't quite discovered. For instance, the Flow blockchain. Welcome to the Flow family, Nick Gruden. Nick comes to Dapper Labs with over a decade of experience working on partnerships, partner marketing at Meta. So this guy is an executive from Facebook working on partnerships, moving to Flow to work on partnerships for Flow. Absolutely huge for the Flow ecosystem. This guy can make some serious deals bigger than what they've already had. Speaking of huge deals, nothing is bigger than Polygon right now. Decentralized apps on Polygon hit 37,000, rocketing 400% this year. Coca-Cola, Disney, Instagram, all building on top of Polygon. It is absolutely huge. Samsung, new Galaxy device, launched Metaverse event in Decentraland with leading K-pop group BTS. So the biggest artist, BTS, pretty much one of them in the world. Samsung partnering up with them. Obviously, it's almost a foregone conclusion that BTS NFTs will launch on Theta network if they haven't already, because Samsung is not only a partner in Decentraland where they're marketing BTS materials, but they are also an investor in the Theta network, so we will stay on top of that absolutely. VeChain partners with US-based logistics software company Orion One to integrate toolchain. We're covering the developing story where VeChain is integrating with companies all over the world for supply chain management. Well, this is just one company in the United States. Binance incubated Injective Labs raises $40 million, 90 million total on-chain transactions for Injective. So this is just one very early stage sleeper asset. Injective said it has now reached over 92 million on-chain transactions, while dApp's build have generated over $7 billion in cumulative volume. We have to stay on top of all the early stage assets so we can catch the wave correctly. Now, here is an update on one of the world's biggest digital communities, finally giving us a look into what their game is going to be. Their play to earn game. Check it out. Pretty high quality. It's going to be a card game. You can pick different cards in your deck. You can play each other. We're talking millions of people adopting this game. We know how lucrative games can be. Pokemon, Angry Birds, movies will be made, the ecosystem will grow. Very exciting in the Web3 world. You can own a piece of these ecosystems. We will stay on top of this market.